It's something not every attorney is allowed to do. That's to try cases before the U.S. Supreme Court. But some Chicago lawyers are now among that esteemed group, and they are not letting the fact that they are deaf or hard of hearing hold them back. Azima Akram is an administrative law judge at the Illinois Commerce Commission. She is also hard of hearing, diagnosed when she was 3.
Law school was one of the hardest things I had to do. I know it's hard for everybody that goes through it, but I had that added challenge of trying to get to hear information that I just couldn't.
Now it's all paid off. Last week, the DePaul graduate was one of 10 deaf and hard of hearing attorneys from across the country sworn in to the U.S. Supreme Court Bar Association. She can now argue cases before the nation's highest court.
It's not something I ever thought would happen, and I never knew up until last year that there was a Deaf and Hard of Hearing Bar Association and that there were other attorneys like me. So not only is it an accomplishment for me professionally, but also personally to meet other attorneys in the same boat.
It is a feeling Rachel Arthur knows very well. She was in that first group of deaf and hard of hearing attorneys sworn in before the Supreme Court. The Chicago disability rights attorney is national president of the Deaf and Hard of Hearing Bar Association. She's been practicing for 12 years now.
My first case that I practiced in court, I had to advocate for my client, but at the same time, I had to make a motion so that my accommodation in the courtroom would be approved, because that itself was a battle too.
Rachel made the actual motion before the justices in Washington to admit Azima's class into the Supreme Court bar. That's something she could not have imagined as a child.
I never could have dreamed that one day I would grow up and have the opportunity to argue a motion in front of the United States Supreme Court and represent other deaf and hard of hearing attorneys. My 13-year-old self would never believe that that was possible, but I made it possible.
For Azima, the entire experience is still hard to believe.
I nerded out a little bit as an attorney to actually get to see the 9 Supreme Court justices do their thing on the bench. That was amazing for me.
Chief Justice John Roberts actually used American Sign Language when he swore in this new class of attorneys. We're told there are about 350 members of the Deaf and Hard of Hearing Bar Association in the United States, and they will be holding their national convention in June 2020 right here in Chicago.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.